Okay, guys, good morning. Here was the morning short. Okay, so I had some electricity issues and just couldn't uh, record this morning session. Had some problems, but then we had electricity again, so we bought here. Okay, but when you restart the PC, all these lines disappear because they only work real time. Okay, so that's the problem. So as you can see, we bought here. Okay, so we had a little bit of drawdown, but remember that these are micro. So okay, so it's something that you can survive. Okay, so that's it. We keep adding. We are up 11 contracts. Okay, so let's see. We're looking at $3,000 to for a Apex account. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video and see how we end this program. Okay, guys, almost there. We're looking at $3,000. Okay, so let's see if we can get to the target. Right now, the Apex are $19, so it's very cheap to do a combine. Okay, guys, that's it. 3K. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you are interested in the program, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.